A very good evening to all the lovely ladies of Forever Star India, or I must say the upcoming celebrities, the Mrs. India 2021 winners. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. I would request you all to start your videos. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. A digital hi to everyone. I hope you guys are doing good, and I'm really, really excited to have you all here. And now I must say, it's an absolute pleasure having you all here because, you guys are going to become the stars of tomorrow, and you are already the stars of today. So, all the best for this special journey because this is all about your profile getting more polished, groomed by the right kind of trainers. So make sure you pay utmost attention that you can. Just give us this 1 month so that we can make sure that you rise and shine better and come up across as more stronger women that you've already proved your potential for. So first of all, of course, congratulations to each of you for making it till here. And let's move forward. Let's start with the process. So we have a very, very special set of trainers on board today. The first, of course, is the OG expert, Utsav Dholakia, who is the event choreographer and the show director of Grand Finale 2021. He's going to personally supervise all the trainings that are going to happen from today. So I'm sure, it's going to be a starstruck moment for all of you. And, it's going to be a great journey, a very smooth one indeed. So just give me a moment so that I introduce Utsav and of course the other, partner trainers that the team has decided on to take forward. So Utsav Dholakia is one of India's leading fashion choreographers and show directors with a career spanning 26 years now in showbiz. Utsav has worked with best in both fashion and event industry. He has created a unique niche in event choreography with his distinct style and creative approach. His creativity has produced wonderful results, which has made him the most sought after show director, not only in India, but internationally as well. And who doesn't know about Lakme Fashion Weeks and Purnia pop shops that he's personally handled up close and resulted them in a great, great way. And he has been honored by the Mayor of Kingston upon Thames, London, for his creative work. And on the other panel, then, the jury members who will be taking forward from here, we have, four special ladies, of course. The first being Shelza Sturi, our official pageant groomer, who will be taking all cues for ramp walk, your stage presence, and whatnot. Second, we have Sonu Singh, our image consultant, who would be, talking about your media interaction and building a profile of your own. Third, we have Sakshi Shekhar, Urf the Majik Platter, the one who would be taking care of your diets, your nutrition. And last but not the least, we have Abundance of Positivity, Smita Ghosh, who would be, working on your mental health to ensure that you smile and, look your best on the finale. So now let's welcome and hear it from the man himself, Utsav Dholakia. Utsav, welcome on board. It's an absolute honor having you here. And I'm sure, the participants are more than excited to hear from you now.
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I mean, sorry, it's a one way. I mean, I just have to give my regards to you. I can't take it back. So you will have to either do a thumbs up or just wave your hands. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies. Okay, first of all, the people who are not seen on the video, I would request them to kindly switch on the videos. So at least I get to know who's whom. So can we all do it, please? Because if you are shy right now, then it's going to be very difficult on the day of the show. You're supposed to walk on stage. No worries, no worries. I leave it for you to decide. Okay, guys, first of all, let me congratulate each and every one of you for being on this platform. FSIA has given a launchpad to everyone. This launchpad is very, very difficult to get. When we started our careers initially, हमें ये नहीं पता था कहाँ से शुरू करें. मार्केटिंग से शुरू करे, ग्रूमिंग से शुरू करे, कपड़ों से शुरू करे, स्पीड से शुरू करे, डाइट से शुरू करे. We never knew these things, but over here, you're getting the whole package, which is fantastic, right? So I'm really, really glad that India is developing, and so thanks to this online Zoom meetings and all, we are able to teach from far off distances, and FSI is doing a fantastic job. So guys, this opportunity generally comes to everyone only once, so please grab it, right? That's my first thing. Second thing is, make sure you guys attend all the Zoom lectures or all the lectures on time, and make sure you switch on your videos, right? For a lady who wants to walk on ramp, right, your best friend is your shoe, your footwear. So I would recommend you to buy your footwear from right now on, and start getting friendly to the shoes. Because if you buy it on the day of the show or 2 or 3 days before the event, there is a possible the shoe might give you a bit of a discomfort, which will be seen on your face, right? So it's a big day, right? The event day is a big day. So I want everyone to be very, very confident. We have a fantastic training faculty over here for you, who are going to train and groom you physically and mentally both. You know, right from your thinking capacities to your walking capabilities to your diet, everything is going to take care by these trainers, right? So what I'm saying is, right now, I mean, we are short on time, and I would like to, introduce Shailaja Suri, who is going to be the expert trainer on walk and a lot of runs. So I would love to introduce Shailaja Suri, who is an eminent panel with us, and she's going to take over from me right now on. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Utsav. It was very kind words for me. I will take on from here. Thank you so much. So a very good evening to all the charming, good-looking beauties that I see through the little windows. All of you need to pat your back like how I'm doing. You know, you all have done yourself proud, because all of you are today sitting amongst us like queens. You're all achievers. You're all celebrities in your own way. So this is the speciality of this forum that we are hosting for all of you. And that is that it is not like any other training sessions that I've had before with all of you. Today, there is a huge, huge shift in the training that I'm going to be giving to you, because today I am going to train you how you need to actually start believing in yourself and behaving like a celebrity. So pat on your back, heartiest congratulations to all of you. You have withstood all the challenges that FSIA is thrown at you. You have outshone so many other competitors, and you are so deserving while you're sitting here amongst us. So heartiest congratulations. And the beautiful journey for all of you begins from here onwards. And I'm going to felicitate you in this journey by guiding you that how can you best now transform yourself from being participants to becoming achievers and celebrities. So there are two very, very important facets of becoming a celebrity that I'm going to be discussing with you. And first would be that there has to be a mental shift for you. All this while you were participating in a pageant, tasks were given, you took on the tasks very handsomely, you won those tasks, you only concentrated on doing the best, outshining others, right? But today when you're sitting amongst us, you're sitting like winners. All of you are crown winners today, okay? So now that mental shift you have to bring to your mind that you are all achievers and believe in your achievement. Okay, savor and enjoy this moment that you've enjoyed, that you have earned for yourself. Okay, so bring that shift in your thought process. It's only when you bring that shift in your thought process will the body respond accordingly. So सबसे पहले हमने खुद को विश्वास दिलाना है कि हमने एक बहुत ही accomplished pageantry से हमने एक क्राउन खुद के लिए जीता है मेहनत से. आप सब जो हैं बहुत proud winners हैं, achievers हैं. You are all inspirations to so many other girls who inspire sitting in their homes, but they don't have the courage to come out in the open and compete. तो आप उन सब के लिए बहुत बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है. इस बात का पहले खुद को भरोसा दिलाइए. Believe it in yourself. और जब आप खुद को बिलीव करवाएंगे कि अब आप सेलिब्रिटीज बन गए हैं, जब आप हमारे साथ वहां होंगे जयपुर में 17 से लेकर 19 तक, तो आपका जो मैनरिज्म्स हैं, सब कुछ जो है वो एक सेलिब्रिटी के भाव में होना चाहिए. एक पार्टिसिपेंट की तरह वहां मत आइए, आप एक अचीवर की तरह आइए. हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज जो जीते हैं और जो वहां अपनी फेलिसिटेशन के लिए आ रहे हैं. So you have to come with that feeling. Okay? सेकेंड चीज है, जब आपको सेलिब्रिटी में ट्रांसफॉर्म होना होता है, कुछ चीजें होती हैं जिस बात का आपको ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. देयर आर certain things that you must keep in mind. What are those things? First is be well groomed and well dressed. Okay, so well groomed means that your appearance, think how you look, how can you improve your appearance. How can we do that? By taking care of our hair, by taking care of our skin, okay, by working out. Abhi aapke paas hai time, almost ek mahina hai, start working out, eat right, okay, sleep well so that there is that inherent glow. Be happy. If you're happy from inside for your own success, it reflects. You don't need any concealer, any foundation to hide your flaws. We can be all beautiful with our flaws. It's just that acceptance that you need. Accept yourself in totality and see the magic spinning around you. Okay, so be very well dressed and आपको मेंटली अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना है. जैसे आप किसी इवेंट के लिए जाती है, you go for a wedding, you go for a holiday, you prepare your wardrobe, right? So similarly, when you come for this event, you must prepare at least 2 sets of clothes. That guideline will be given by Harry to you. I'm just giving you an idea that जो भी आप अपने clothes रखेंगे 2-4 दिनों के लिए, उसके साथ accessorize कीजिए. What are you going to wear along with it? Okay, what matching heels are you going to wear with it? What kind of a hairstyle are you going to put up with that? अगर आप mental अपना homework करके आएंगे तो वहां जाके आपको time waste बिल्कुल भी करना नहीं पड़ेगा. You will know what to do. Okay. Second very important aspect is that you must interact with everybody, whomsoever you meet at the venue there. Be it the organizers, the prestigious organizers, your mentors who have got you through this journey. It would be such a delight to meet all of you in person. Your co-awardees, जो बाकी award winners हैं, जो इतने different cities से आए हुए होंगे, हर किसी के साथ आप बहुत खुशी से happily interact करिए. Don't form groups. Don't go into making छोटा groups and then sitting amongst them only. Because if you see celebrities, they look larger than life. How do they look larger than life? Because their mannerisms are such. Their behavior is such. Okay? So you have to now start behaving like a celebrity. So you are going to mingle with everyone. You will take the initiative. Don't wait for other person to come and say hello to you. You have to go out, extend your hand and shake hands and say, hi, I'm Dimpy Jain and I'm from so-and-so city. Hi, I'm Swati Bhargav and I represented the city and I'm a winner from there. And you see how the conversation becomes beautiful and you will have a wide network of friends. And when you interact freely, openly, when you appreciate openly, there is so much of vibe that you give out in the environment. And it is that vibe that makes you stand out from the crowd. Okay, so what are the thinkers that I have given to you? Bring the shift in your mind. Believe in your own achievements. Second, be well groomed and well dressed. Third, interact openly at the forum. Be mentally prepared for it. Okay, check your mannerisms and facial expressions. Okay, so you have to always check your mannerisms. How are you moving? Are you slouching your shoulders? Are you sitting upright when you're sitting on the chair? Are you sitting side-legged? And when you're talking, I hope you're not using too many hand gestures or not at all. Okay, something in between. Always remember the middle path is the best path to follow. Never spill out or never spill in. Always follow the middle path and you are always in the safe zone. Always in the safe zone. Don't overdo it. Don't underdo it. When you're in doubt, just follow the middle path. And that is what you have to do is follow your mannerisms through the middle path. Have beautiful facial expressions. Now, if I'm talking to you as your mentor, and if what are the changes that I have brought in my mannerisms? Am I not sounding excited talking to you? Give a thumbs up if you agree. Yes? Okay. Do I look happy when I'm talking to you? Why is that? Because I'm raising my eyebrows, I'm twitching my eyebrows with my expressions, and I'm having a constant smile. True? I'm nodding my head, not so much, but little bit, so that I attract your attention. Right? Is it true or not? Just do a thumbs down and a thumbs up, I'll get to know. Right? So this is how you have to first exude energy to attract energy. Okay, so your facial expressions have to be so pleasing and nice and inviting that people can't stop but look at you. Okay, so this is the next cue. Third is be courteous there. Be courteous. See the bigger picture. Okay, don't go for small things. I must sit in the front row. I should go first, and I should get the maximum ramp time. Don't think small, think big. You've gone for an event, for a felicitation. Behave like one huge magnanimous personality. Okay, then be fully aware of the event to which you're going. Like you're going there for an event which is conducted by FSIA. You must know what all work they have accomplished. What are the works in pipeline? Why are you being awarded for whatever you are being awarded? Just in case you bump into someone who is not familiar with FSIA and they ask you something, you should not cut a sorry figure. You represent them. You are the brand ambassador of FSIA. You are going to be crowned there by them. It's like someone asking a child about their parent and the child doesn't know anything about the parent. It speaks very poorly, right? So this is exactly, you are the prodigy of FSIA. So it is your onus to know everything about FSIA. So do your homework right. And for always finishing your look, you must always put on nude makeup. When I say nude makeup, it means that something which is there, but it is not visible, it is felt. It gives that finish to your appearance. It gives that finish and glow to your face. A little bit of BB cream, a little blush, a nice liner, and a nude lipstick. It gives finish to your personality. It adds more value to what you're wearing. Okay, so when you're there at the venue for those days, I would prefer that you wear minimalistic makeup just to complete the entire look and to add that formality when you're there. Okay. Now coming to the second very important aspect, and that is stage presence. Stage presence is actually the agenda for the event. Why are you being invited there? Because of the felicitation. And that felicitation is going to be on the stage. But this time, being on stage is completely different than how you have been all this while, right? All this while, all the trainers who have trained you, those of you who attended my training sessions, like how I told you all the nitty-gritties, it is very different than that this time. And what is different? That this time you're going to walk the ramp not like a contestant, but like a winner, like someone who has come there for the felicitation ceremony. So how your walk is going to be? Your walk has to be very self-assured, confident, deliberate, and very charming. All these four qualities have to come through your walk when you walk. So when you practice now onwards, these are the four qualities that have to get pronounced. If you think that your parents who are, you can practice and show it to your friends, your relatives, whomsoever you want. And if they say that you're looking very self-assured, you're not in any rush to get down from the stage. If you're looking confident, if you're making eye contact with the audience, if you're constantly smiling, if you're very deliberate with your poses, with your turns in your walk, and if you're looking charming in whatever that you're wearing and how you're walking, you have achieved it. All right. So I have shared a very lengthy 5 minutes video with Harry, and she would be sharing it with you today. In that, I have given you tips of how to stand in T positions, how to make a correct posture when you're standing and posing. That means that your shoulders have to be rolled back, how you have to move your limbs and arms, and at what pace you need to walk and how you need to pose. And then gradually I've shown 3 videos where there is an ethnic walk, there is slow music walk, there is fast music walk, and then there are in the end 2 walks which are like a pro. So it is a journey that you have to take now through the video while you're practicing this. A lot of training has already gone into you, right? You already know by now, you're all queens, you know how to walk the ramp, right? So with little bit of practice through the video that I'm sharing with you, you are going to master this act. And when we meet again, you are all going to show me your pageant win, crown felicitated walk. And then I'm going to critically analyze it, and I'm going to tell you what needs to be done more or how beautifully you're already doing it. Okay, but there are certain tips for that walk that I need to convey to you here. Take the notes very, very attentively. First is, like how Utsav mentioned, your heels. Most important when you're walking on the ramp, most important is your heel. So don't go for wedge heels or block heels because they tend to restrict your movement on stage, especially when you're turning and trying to pose. Always go for stilettos. पतली हील के लिए जाइए, कम से कम 3 इंच, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 5 इंच की हील आप जितना पहन सकते हैं आप खरीदिए. दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू बाय इन प्रायोरिटी. सबसे पहले खरीदिए और उसको खरीद के उसमें पहन के उसकी आदत डालिए ताकि उसको आप रैंप पे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली वो पहन के आप चल सकें. अगर आप लास्ट मिनट पे खरीदेंगे, यू विल नॉट बी कंफर्टेबल विद दैट योर फुटवेयर. इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योर फेस. All the confidence that you're building with the practice will go down the drain if your footwear is not right. And also don't overuse it when you're practicing. Practice करके संभाल के रखिए, ये ना हो कि 1 महीने की practice के बाद वो heel टूट गई. All right, तो आप ध्यान रखें, संभाल के रखें, because वो आपका सबसे ज्यादा prized possession है. Right? So this is most important. Buy stilettos, 3 to 4 inches of heels. And preferably colors should be nude and black because ये 2 रंग ऐसे हैं आपको जो भी वहां पे garment दिया जाएगा सबके साथ ये match कर जाता है. So preferably black and nude is what you should buy if you're planning to buy. Now, when you're walking on the ramp, what is the first thing that you notice? What is the first thing that you notice? What is the posture? जितना erect posture होता है, आप बिल्कुल अगर शोल्डर ब्लेड्स आपके पीछे हैं, स्टमक आपका सक्ड इन है, तो आपका एस अगर अच्छे से बन रहा है तो आप जो भी आपकी हाइट है उससे आप 2 इंच लंबे ही लगते हैं. यू लुक टॉलर देन व्हाट यू आर इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग अपराइट. सो आपके आर्च जो है बैक का वो सीधा होना चाहिए. लेग्स भी आपकी बेंड नहीं होनी चाहिए, स्ट्रेच्ड आउट होनी चाहिए. ओके, जैसे ही आप ये 2 चीजें ठीक करते हैं आपका पोस्चर खुद ब खुद ठीक हो जाता है. ऑलराइट, then comes your smile. It is the most important accessory for anybody who has to walk the ramp. Most important accessory. Why? Because smile is a sign of self-assuredness. आपको पता है कि आप यहाँ award लेने आए हैं and आप deserving हैं. It conveys that. It conveys कि आप खुश हैं. The very fact that you're winning and being felicitated on stage. It is a great connector. When you smile, you instantly connect with the audience. हम हमेशा अमूमन उन्हीं के साथ दोस्ती करते हैं जो हंसते हैं क्योंकि वो inviting होता है. आप कभी किसी के पास नहीं जाएंगे जो हंसे ना, right? So you always have to smile, celebrate your success, bask in the glory of your own success, and you see how everybody will appreciate watching you when you do that on stage. It is your moment. Okay, so practice hard for it and enjoy when you're on stage. Many a times it happens with me also. Every time I have to go on stage, before that, I have dhuk happening inside. Okay, either the dhuk is here or it is here or there's rumbling in my stomach. But it's a good sign. Why is it a good sign? Because it's your body is responding to you and saying, don't goof up. Okay, you better do well, right? So it's a good thing. Your body is responding, your mind and body, and asking you to gear up and not goof up. गलती कहाँ होती है? जब हम इस एंजाइटी को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते. तो कंट्रोल करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Take deeper breaths. It calms down. Okay, that fluttery feeling goes away. Have a gulp of water. Keep that chota bisleri water handy with you. 1 sip of water is enough for you to calm you down. And the other is that you must isolate yourself from others. Thoda sa baat karna aap band kar dijiye. Concentrate on what your work is and just focus on what you have to do, the posing and how you have to charm the audience, and the dhuk will go away. Okay, now the other thing is that when you go on stage, your confidence level has to be such that it has to command respect. Okay, there are two things that we don't demand from people. We can't demand people to love us or to respect us or appreciate us. Appreciation and applause, all this comes through the command, and that command comes through your body language. The moment you step on the stage, whatever everybody is doing, they should just stop and watch you. Your walk has to be so attractive and so beautiful, so elegant and graceful. So don't be very hurried into walking quickly and coming out. Take time, be deliberate. Enjoy yourself when you're on the stage. You worked all this while only to be there and enjoy that moment. Secondly, when you're there in the front ramp, when everybody can see you up close, just try and make an eye contact with the jury members, with the audiences. If that makes you nervous, look through them. It will seem as if you're looking towards them, but ऐसा है वो एक भ्रम बन जाता है. दूर देखिए किसी पॉइंट पे, एंड सिर्फ आप फ्रंट मत दिखाइए अपनी शक्ल का, प्रोफाइलिंग करिए, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करिए, and then go to the other side, show both the profiles and address the audience who's watching you and clapping for you. Okay, it is like giving an honor to people who are appreciating you, because of whom you are there on the stage. Okay, so this is a mark of respect that you must show when you come to the front of the ramp. You must memorize your pose. 2-3 poses, उसके भी मैं आपको videos share करूंगी. आप वो भी कम से कम 3 videos जो हैं, 3 poses दिमाग में बिठा लीजिए. उसमें से जो best होगा, जो उस टाइम पे आपको कोरियोग्राफर बोलेंगे कि कितने poses करने हैं, आप उनमें से वो pose करके अपना crown लीजिए. उस stance में आइए, खड़े होइए and take your crown. Okay? So memorize these poses ताकि वहां जाके आपको nervous feel नहीं होगा, आप under rehearse नहीं लगेंगे. और जब मैं next आपको मिलूंगी, जब next session में, तब आप सबका homework ये है कि आप सब मुझे walk करके दिखाएंगे अपनी heels में, जो heels आपने वहां पहननी है उस heel में. ठीक है? और मैं फिर individually आप सबको assess करूंगी और आपको guide करूंगी, appreciate करूंगी आपके काम. लेकिन आपके पास अभी बहुत टाइम है. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 1 month. आप अगले 10 दिन में इसको एक सब कर लीजिए ताकि जब हम नेक्स्ट मिले तो यू ऑल मस्ट लुक गॉर्जियस इन दोस हील्स वॉकिंग डाउन द आयल. All right, so these are the 2 very important tips that I had to give to you. Please keep it in mind, and always remember that from now onwards the journey that you're going to undertake is that of a celebrity, of an achiever who is set to make bigger milestones smaller. Okay, so all the very best to you. May sunshine always follows you and lights up your path in future. God bless you, and I'm back to you, Harry.
Thank you so much, Sharda. I can see, the content that the women have on their faces. इतना कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है from the, Sharda Suri. So I'm sure they are very excited to learn more from you and, gather a lot more information, because now they are, of course, walking down the ramp looking like queens for that matter.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much, Sharda. And now let's hear it from the other experts जो आपको आगे in coming days में अपनी expertise के साथ train करने वाले हैं. So, I would request them to talk a little about their profiles and what exactly they would be covering. So I would request Sonu Singh, our image consultant on Team FCR, to take over and talk about, her profiles. Sonu, welcome on board. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Harry, and good evening to all the beautiful sunshining ladies. Congratulations for being so proud. My name is Sonu Singh, and I am an image consultant and a soft skill trainer, and I am a facial pageant groomer with FCR. I have been training few of you. I think few of you might have attended my training on virtual presence and how you should present yourself on this small window. But now I'll be training you more beyond this small window, where you are coming physically, meeting people, giving interviews. So everything regarding how you can have a better presence in terms of your interview, in your stage, in your personal branding is all that I'll be taking up with you all. And I congratulate all of you, and I hope this becomes a life-changing event for you. Thank you so much, Harry. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Sonu. Thank you. And now I would request Akshi Shekhar, or the Majid Platter, to talk about all things healthy and all things nutritionist. So over to you, Sakshi.
Hi, Harry. Thank you so much. Hello, lovely panelists and the winners. You all are shining across the screen. मैं हूँ साक्षी and I'm a nutritionist. इस coming 1 month में हम बात करेंगे आपके स्टैमिना improve करने के बारे में और आपकी food habits, basically food conduct, क्योंकि कभी ना कभी ऐसा होता ही है कि we miss out on certain nutrients. अगर वो हम cover कर रहे हैं तो हमारे final day पर हमें वो फर्क नजर आएगा कि how you are actually presenting yourself. They say that knowledge is confidence, knowledge is power. I feel fitness is confidence and power, because when you're walking through the ramp and you're not feeling dull, you're not bloated mostly, because your dress properly fit nahi hogi otherwise, and your skin is glowing, तो आप दूसरा ही charm एक exuberate करते हैं ramp पर. So I'm going to train you for all the food conduct and everything that is coming through your kitchen in the coming few days. Keep your notepads ready, and let's see you very, very soon. Over to you, Harry. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much. And now we have the last but not the least trainer for the day, Smita Ghosh. Smita, over to you. Welcome on board.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Harry. All the smiling beauties. So you all are already a winner, and you will be walking your winning or a victory lap on 17 to 19. I'm Smita Ghosh. I'm motivator. By profession, I am a psychologist, hypnotherapist, and a trainer with FSI. I'll be giving you 4 keys. Now, what are those 4 keys? The 4 keys are, the first one is a strong self, a sense of self, which many of us, we loses as we are faced with any challenge or any challenging work or event. When we get anxious, when we get a little bit stressed. So I will be giving you a strong sense of self, how to monitor and control our inner voice. That voice that sometimes discourages us. Whether I have taken a right decision. Oh my God, there are so many other beautiful ladies there. So how to control that inner voice and make it positive. So that will be the second key. The third one, how to have that positive body image when we stand in front of the mirror. So what does the mirror say? A happy you or a complaining you? So a positive body image. And the last key, ability to believe in your dreams. Be happy. The reason to be happy in your life, because happy people are always beautiful. And definitely all these keys will give you that confidence, because confidence is the ability to feel beautiful without anyone to tell you that. We don't need anyone to tell us that we are beautiful, right? So that's your choice. So next time when we meet for the training, I want each one of you to choose happiness and be as beautiful as you can. So good luck, best of luck, and I'll be seeing you very soon.
Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much, Utsav, and that was a pleasure having you, all of you, on board. And I'm sure the ladies are looking forward to, meet you guys up close and personal as well. So the trainers, I would like to take your leave for the moment and just to have some words with the participants. Thank you.